Welcome! This video will walk you through the steps to create an account to access the Early Learning Management System, or ELMS. Please note that this video only covers how to create an account for system access. Registration as an educator will be covered in a separate video. This account creation step is a very important first part of the process. To access ELMS, go to fairfaxcounty.gov/apps/ELMS. This is the page you should bookmark for future access. Please do not bookmark the login page itself. If you bookmark that page, you may encounter an error the next time you try to log in. On the ELMS page, click Go to Login page. On the login page, click Sign Up Now. Enter the email address you want to use for this account. If you are a family child care provider or a center-based director, we recommend using the email address associated with your permit or state license. Using the same email may help bypass account verification during the registration process. Please note that the verification code is time-sensitive. We recommend starting the sign-up process only when you are available to complete it promptly. After entering your email address, request the verification code. The verification code usually arrives in about 15 seconds, but it may take up to 2 minutes. When you receive the code, copy it or write down the 6-digit number. Return to the sign-up screen and enter the code. If you paste the code, make sure there is no extra space at the end. Enter only the 6 digits, then click Verify Code. Once your email is verified, continue by creating your password. Enter the password twice to confirm it, then enter your first name and last name and click Create. If you are using a personal computer that is securely protected with a password, your browser may ask if you want to save your password. You may choose to save it for quicker future logins. At this point, your account has been created and you may proceed with registration. Please refer to the provided instructional document for the next steps.